Hey, hey. Real big dogs, but you get us from a pup. If you wanna see what's up, Blue Devil Kennels up. We get you together, we gon' get you right for sure. The more we go, we gon' roll. Just thought I'd let you know. Real big dogs, but you get us from a pup. If you wanna see what's up, hit Blue Devil Kennels up. We get you together, we gon' get you right for sure. The more we go, we gon' roll.
What's going on, Blue Devil fam? You see where we at? We at Tractor Supply. Come join us on our little trip. We on the way to get some dog food. And we'll catch y'all on the inside. Alright, Blue Devil fam. I know as y'all know, I'm on the Purina Pro plan. I'm on this bag right here, the chicken and rice formula. But let's see, chicken and rice, how many pounds this is? 37. Thinking about getting a salmon and rice. This 33 pounds. Where's the they got lamb and rice? I know they got lamb and rice. Where's the lamb and rice? Chicken. I had lamb and rice last time. Chicken. Salmon and rice. I guess now I got the lamb and rice. I was gonna get that. Oh, yeah, they do. They're right here. They small bites. They small bites though. I'll go ahead and try the salmon and rice. We'll catch y'all at the next scene. Going on, Blue Devil fam. We back to the next scene. As you see, we finished our trip from Tractor Supply. We went ahead and got some dog food. We went ahead and got some, we keeping it the Purina way, but we got a different flavor though. We got salmon and rice. The last flavor was what? I think chicken and rice. But we keeping the same bag of Purina because I'm digging the bag. It got my boy pooping healthy. So he pooping a little bit better, getting solid. I messed him up trying to do a raw food experiment with him. It messed up his stomach, so he was boo-booing all crazy. But now he doing good now, getting all that situated. We gonna see how this new bag of dog food is. Hacho, guys, see my boy. See my boy. Look at this boy. This is a real bull. A real bull right here. A real bull. Excuse the grass. I gotta cut the grass. Real bull. Look at that boy. Oh yeah. We got big plans. I ain't gonna tell y'all just yet. I ain't gonna ruin the surprise, but just know we got something happening real big, coming real soon. So y'all just tap in, hit that comment, hit that like button, comment, subscribe. All my new subscribers, I appreciate y'all for subscribing. If you not subscribed already, subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, Blue Devil fam, we checking out.